Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by Tungsten explorer Viking Mines, ASX code VKA. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now with the Managing Director of Viking Mines, Julian Woodcock. Hi, Julian.
Hello, Matt.
Well, Viking Mines has been getting a bit of traction lately after picking up a suite of tungsten assets in Nevada, USA. The company's Linka project already boasts historical mining and some solid drill hits, and with rising tungsten prices behind it, Viking shares have run over 200% from about 0.6 of a cent back in December to 1.9 cents. Now the company has just released its first all-important metallurgical test work from Linka, and the numbers didn't disappoint. Julian, we'll get to those metallurgical tests in a minute, but tell me, when was this project last mined for tungsten and at what grades?
Yes, Matt, this was last mined in the 1950s and at a grade of 0.5%.
Now, metallurgy is a big hurdle for a lot of these critical minerals projects. In your recent test work, I understand you used a simple gravity circuit. What grade did you input and what concentrate grade did you get out the other end?
Yeah, we had an input grade of 1.4% tungsten, and with the 16-fold uplift in the gravity circuit, we achieved 22.9% tungsten.
And what sort of metal recoveries did you get in that first pass gravity circuit work?
Yeah, we got north of 63% in the gravity test work.
And are you happy with that? Can you push it even further, or will that do the job?
I will definitely push it further. So normally after the gravity circuit, you take it to a flotation circuit, which that test work's ongoing, and that will uplift the grade and the recovery even more, and we can optimise the gravity. This was just initial CITA results, so yes, we'll uplift that.
Now, for the technologically challenged, without getting too in-depth, why are good results from a gravity circuit important? Like, what's the alternative if the ore won't upgrade well from gravity?
Gravity is the first easiest step. You just use the density of the material, and you've got very cheap, low-cost processing equipment. There's no chemicals needed. So the next steps or the alternatives are using flotation, which requires more infrastructure and the like. So having good gravity means we can pursue a low-cost CapEx solution using modular equipment.
Well, let's talk grades for a moment. How does Viking's Linka project compare to other tungsten projects around the world? Everybody knows what a good grade is for gold, for instance, but not really tungsten, right?
Yeah, so 0.5% is good grade. There's mines operating even lower than 0.1%. Some big ASX numbers such as EQR, high market cap, they've got grades of 0.2% and 0.16% in their project, and another one, TGN, has 0.11%. So we're substantially higher than that, and we sit in the high-grade space for tungsten.
What have tungsten prices done lately?
Yeah, they've gone up fivefold over the last 12 months, $30,000 a tonne for APT, up to now trading at $185,000 a tonne.
I'm guessing that's US dollars, right?
Yes, that's all USD.
Julian Woodcock from Viking Mines, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears, and remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 4BC and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.